So I'm once again still here at Lake Wateree at the dam, and I'll turn this camera around in just a minute, but I want to tell you a little bit about what we're shooting. We're shooting great blue heron. There's probably 15 or 20 down here that I can see. There's a bald eagle I'll see if I can pan around and show that. But there's an eagle. I don't know if it's bald or not, but way off on the power line. I'm watching him. I'm waiting to see if he takes off. I'm shooting today with my Nikon Z9. Once again, the 180 to 600 millimeter f5.6 zoom lens. Telephoto lens, of course, and great for wildlife. I'm trying to figure this out. Last few times I've been out here with this lens, my images were okay. But just not quite as sharp. So I'm playing around with my settings. So today I am shooting at 1/800th of a second. In case they start to take off, I want to be able to get them. That might be too slow, but I'm doing that so that most of these birds right now are stationary. They're just sitting and perching. They're waiting for food. I'm shooting anywhere from 5.6 to 6.3, 7.0, not much higher than that because I want to keep that ISO as low as possible. Right now where I'm at, I'm on ISO auto and I'm at 4,000. So we'll see how these pictures turn out. I may have to do some denoise in Lightroom and see how that works out, but we'll see. It's a cool 26 degrees right now. There's people fishing behind me on the bank. I haven't saw them catch anything. There comes a duck going up the lake. That's a duck, not a loon, or a black duck. But we'll turn this around. Here's my camera. I don't know if you can see that lens or not, but because I got a polarizer on this Pocket 3. But that's what my camera sees, and I am shooting at 1/800 for the shutter speed at 6.3. I've got it on auto ISO, and right now it's pegged out at 2200. I'm shooting about 6 frames per second just in case he takes off. I may bump that up to 10. I just don't want to fill this memory card up with a bunch of settings and a bunch of pictures that I don't need while I'm waiting on him to pop loose. Once again, there's an eagle up there on that power line. You can't tell, but when I zoom in with this 180 to 600, I can see that is an eagle. But like I said, I'm just waiting on this bird to take off. I got the auto ISO. Got bird detection. It's focusing on the eyes. In fact, it looks like it's doing a pretty good job. The only thing I don't like about this composition, if you can see it, is that there's a red tag flapping in the wind behind it. Probably some caution tape or something like that. But anyway, we'll see what we get. Once again, we're at Lake Wateree Dam on the river. 25 degrees. Martin Luther King Day, enjoying the holiday. And just had to get out of the house. There's a heron that Richard's trying to get. I don't know if you can see that or not, but Richard is over here on my right. Go ahead. Damn, he took off. He didn't go far. It's all right, he's in a good spot. So once again, we're at Lake Wateree Dam, on the other side of Lake Wateree, Blue Gulf or Camden, South Carolina. I'm shooting a Nikon Z9 today with my 180 to 600 Z lens. It's a 5.6 to 6.3, and I'll probably shoot most of it at 600 millimeter at 6.3 f-stop. And I got my ISO on auto. I don't have to worry about my ISO, and I'm shooting at like 1/800th of a second. I may need to bump that up. I'll take a few test shots with birds in flight and see what that does. May need to speed that up. Right now, most of these birds are stationary. Every now and then you see one that's fixing to take off, and I'm hoping that I get a good clear shot, a good smooth, sharp image at 1/800th. If not, I may bump that up to 1/1000th or 1/1200th. But my ISO, bright sunny day, no clouds in the sky, my ISO shouldn't suffer too bad if I go up to that high. But I'll post some photos here in the video and let you decide. Here's a dam. I'm right here, right on the water. The water's rolling pretty good. They were letting a lot of water out when we first got here, but it looks like it's died down. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning, January 20th, Martin Luther King Day. We're off work. It's a holiday, a very appreciative holiday, and we're just trying to get some wildlife photos of some blue heron. If I'm not saying that right, or if that's not the right bird, please let me know in the comments below. What are y'all shooting? You're cooped up in the house and you finally get a day off and the weather's kind of cold. What are y'all shooting? Let me know in the comments below. I am filming today with the Pocket 3. I do have a CPL filter on here just to cut out some of the glare. That's like it's an eagle or off there in the distance. We'll see if we can grab a hold of him just a little bit. But the water has slowed down a little bit, which might affect the bird activity. When the water was flowing very well earlier, you could see fish pop in the water, so that usually is a good sign that birds will be around somewhere. But I'm looking at 12 to 15 in my just real close of these great blue heron. So we're gonna get some pictures and post them after a while, and hopefully this video turns out to be a pretty good video. I'm still getting new to this, and I'm hoping that the more I get out here and practice, the things I'll figure out a little bit better, and my quality will go up. But hey, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and as always, thank you.